So last week when my AR was 85% with UberX, I was only making like $32 per hour. The last couple of weeks, my AR with UberX is 20%, and I've been averaging like $35–40 per hour for the last couple of weeks. Why? Well, the last couple of weeks I've been cherry picking, and I've abandoned my mission to accomplish UberX Diamond. So to become UberX Diamond, you need an AR above 95% and driver rating of above 4.95, I believe. So basically you have to take a lot of shitty rides to become UberX Diamond. So for the last couple of weeks, I've been cherry picking UberX rides and Lyft rides, and I've been making a lot more, at least $4 more per hour. I'm currently getting some food at 2:38 a.m. at Jack in the Box here. But back to well, let me go over what happened tonight, huh? So basically I declined 10 consecutive UberX rides in a row tonight before I got a good ride. I think my average tonight has been $40 per hour for 3 or 4 hours. $40 per hour. All right, tonight we actually did 187 in 4 hours 24 minutes, so that's $41 per hour. But yeah, basically I've been making like $4 more per hour for the last couple of weeks, compared to try to become UberX Diamond, try to accept a lot of rides. Maybe I've been driving different hours, but I don't know. Yeah, long story short, you make more by cherry picking with UberX and Lyft. Same with food delivery, I believe. Yeah. All right, guys. Yeah, that's gonna do for today's video. Gonna eat my Jack in the Box breakfast burrito. I usually like to post my video over 8 minutes, but not today. Yeah. So if you're an Uber driver or Lyft driver or any type of gig worker, please considering smashing the like, subscribe, and ring the bell. That way you don't miss out on new videos, tips and tricks, shorts, live stream, ride-alongs, and you have a good chance to win $100 if you comment on all my videos, especially the long ones. Gonna eat my burrito. I'm currently logged on. I don't think I'll get that $30 surge, or it's $18 now. But for sure, I will get a good ride at 3:30. Airport ride at 3:30. Current time is 2:58. So I'm gonna eat my little burrito. Smoke a cigarette. Try to get another good ride. So for the last 3 days, we've been averaging like $42 per hour. That's way more than $32 per hour a few weeks ago. Yeah. So to all my Uber drivers, try to do both Lyft and Uber and cherry pick. Holy moly. Nah, I'm turning this one down. Yeah, this is live. Yeah. Know your worth. Yeah. So maybe I'll stretch this video out to now 9 minutes, huh? Something's on the radar, but yeah, we don't do that. So basically I turned down 10 consecutive rides before I got a good one. Driving Uber is like playing Texas Hold'em. Yeah, you gotta fold a lot of hands before you play your hands, you know. Yeah, I've been saying that on my live, but for the people that don't tune into my live stream, yeah, it's like playing Texas Hold'em. You gotta fold a lot of hands before you start playing, before you see the flop, and you're losing money. There's no arrivals at the airport at this time. No arrivals. So, yeah. Going to the airport at this time, at least $1.70 per mile. Yeah. With UberX and Lyft, your dollar to mile ratio is not as good, but your dollar per hour is way more. You make more per hour, but at the same time, you're putting in more miles. So you'd be lucky to get like $1.80 per mile with UberX. With food delivery, like a year ago, I was averaging like $2.20 per mile. Yeah. So food delivery dollar to mile ratio is way more than UberX for me. I also cherry pick with food delivery, Uber Eats, DoorDash, Grubhub. So I apologize. Yeah, I was gonna make a short video, but we have some live action, a live request. So this was my first ride when this one was on the radar when I woke up from a nap today at 10 p.m. 23.50 for 9 miles. Yeah, I have to drive 3 miles there. 23.50 for 9 miles. That's 9 total miles. Yeah, that's really good. $7 surge plus $3 bonus, I believe. Yeah, with UberX you see a lot of rides on the radar. Some of them are good. Yeah, maybe 20% of the radar rides are good. These are the rides I've been turning down at 1:26 a.m. Yeah, I'm not gonna put the screenshot on, but hopefully you guys can see it. Yeah, I turned down basically 10 consecutive UberX rides. Yeah, because I've been doing this for 10 years. I know for sure from 1:45 to 2 a.m. it's gonna go on a massive surge. There's no way around it. Yeah, from 1:45 a.m. to 2 a.m. I know a lot of you drivers out there don't like to drive that late, but I'm a graveyard specialist. I like to take the vampires and you know, I like to drive the crazy mofos late night. But basically, yeah, you gotta fold a lot of hands. Yeah, you gotta decline a lot of bad rides. So the one I got at 1:45 was decent. It's not a massive surge, but it was good enough for me. Yeah. I believe that ride was $13 for 26 miles. Yeah, I did not get a ride. Well, I have a request on the way dropping off, but it was $1 per mile, so I turned it down. And current time is 3:04 a.m. and I'm at Jack in the Box. So I hate to sound like a broken record, but I'm gonna eat my burrito. Drink my Coke and try to get on at 3:30 to 4. Try to get a good airport ride. And then I got a personal client at 10 a.m. At the casino. It's my wife. Gotta pick up my wife at 10 a.m. at the casino. Yeah, there's a Vietnamese concert. Yeah, it's a ladies' night out. So yeah, hopefully my wife tips me, huh? Not have to get. I'm just kidding. Yeah, man. So yeah, speaking of my wife, she also got a Honda HR-V. Yeah, it's a sweet ride, but most likely I'm not gonna use it to do gig. Yeah, that's gonna be her ride. This is my whip. I'm cool with my Corolla. The Corolla actually, this vehicle drives better than the Honda HR-V. The Honda HR-V just got the more bells and whistles. It's got leather, it's got sunroof, heated seats. Yeah, heated seats are overrated. I'm probably gonna put some seat covers in the back. And I already got the, you know, tip decal and all that. And you could put like bottled water in the back and snacks if you want, but a lot of times they just leave empty bottles in the back, or they eat and spill everywhere. That's the main reason I don't have snacks in my car. Yeah. And then yeah, man. Still trying to return these keys back to my Uber packs from last night. I called today, she didn't pick up, so maybe I'll reattempt tomorrow. With Uber Lost and Found, you actually get $20 to return something. Back in the day, you don't get shit. Back in 13 and 14. But nowadays, at least Uber pays you $20. And the customer might tip you, the customer might not tip you. And if on UberX, if they don't tip me, I'm not salty. Yeah. But if they tip me, it's awesome. But if they don't, I don't hold it against them. With UberX, the fare is the pay is more fair than the food delivery, generally speaking. Yeah, of course tips are always greatly appreciated, you know. But yeah, that's gonna do it for today's Uber tips and tricks, UberX. Right, I'll see you guys on the next one, huh? Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more gig economy ride along tips and tricks, gig economy entertainment, eating DoorDash non-tippers, all that shenanigans. Thank you for 47,000 subscribers, fam. We're hoping to get 50K this month before Halloween. And yeah, speaking of Halloween, it's one of the busiest day for UberX and Lyft Halloween. Yeah, so I am looking forward to drive on Halloween. Last year my buddy made $700. I don't know how many hours he drove. My guess is 11. Yeah. $700 in 11 hours. Yeah. I've known him for 20 years. Yeah. He also does both Lyft and Uber, and that's how you're supposed to do it. Cherry pick, cherry pick, cherry pick. Know your worth. All right. With that being said, I'm out, fam. See you guys on the next one.